Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the steps to create a new account on Instagram using your Android device. Whether you're looking to share your moments or connect with friends, setting up a new account is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're running the latest version for the best experience. Step 2. Once you're in the app, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your personal space on Instagram. Step 3. Next, tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, in the top right corner. From there, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the option that says Add Account. Tap on that to start the process of adding a new account. Step 5. Here, you'll see two options. If you already have another account, you can choose Log into existing account. Otherwise, tap on Create New Account to set up a fresh profile. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You'll need to enter some basic information, such as your name, email, or phone number, and a password. Once you're done, you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully created a new Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more social media tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring Instagram.